and thanks for clicking on this video. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to create this fantastic looking gloss effect in Photoshop CS6. It's going to be a lot of fun. So let's get into it. We're going to start off by creating a new project. Go to File, New, and you can basically put in any size here. I'm just going to make it a width of 900 pixels and a height of 300 pixels. Hit OK. We're going to start off by creating our background. Double click on the background layer and hit OK. Then right click the layer and go into blending options and check the gradient overlay box. Then go into the gradient presets and change the color of this first color stop here to a darkish gray color, like that. Hit OK. Then change the color of the second color stop to a lighter color, like that. Hit OK, OK, OK. So now we have our background. Now we need to create our text. Select the type tool, and if you click anywhere in this canvas you can basically type in anything you want. I'm just going to use gloss for now. Now we want to center our text, so click on the move tool, then go to select all and click this align horizontal centers button and the align vertical centers button. Now you'll see our text has been centered. Now to deselect this selection here, go to select and deselect. Now we're going to change the color of our text. Double click on this T icon here and you'll see our text has been marked. Now you can go ahead and change the foreground color to a different color. I'm just going to make it this kind of a blue color here. Hit OK. And you can see our text has changed to this nice looking blue color. Now we're going to make some adjustments to the text. Go into the blending options of this text layer, right click, blending options. Then add a stroke effect. Make sure it's at 3 pixels and 100%. Then go into the bevel and emboss options here and change the size to 3 pixels and change the opacity of both of these to 15 and 15 and hit OK. So now we have our text. Now we're going to add a gloss effect onto our text. So create a new layer, right click on that layer and click create clipping mask. Then select the elliptical marquee tool and make a rough selection that goes through half of each of these letters. Let go to click and it makes the selection. We're going to set our foreground color to white. Okay. And we're going to get our paint bucket tool. We're going to click on top of this G here. And that will fill the color of each of these letters to a white. Each of these letters will have a white color on top. So now what we need to do is lower the opacity of this layer down to 15%. 15, enter, and select and deselect, and there you go. Now you have this nice looking gloss effect. Now let me demonstrate something here. If I double click on this T icon here and set the foreground color to a black, okay, now you'll notice that this effect doesn't work as well with a darker color. So to make this effect work with a darker color like black, change the opacity to something like 8, at least lower it, and you can basically go ahead and play around with different colors and, you know, change the opacity, whether it's increasing it or decreasing it. So that's it for this tutorial. So now you know how to create a gloss effect in Photoshop CS6. Thank you for watching.